Hello, I am Glenn Wyman, and today we will be discussing how to set floats in your pump station. Floats are what tell your pumps when to turn on and off, and they also can give you a high water alarm in case of emergency. In a typical duplex pump station, you have 4 floats: off, lead, lag, and high. And the lead and lag floats are what control your pumps. The high water is what gives you the alarm, and the off float is what shuts the pumps off at the end of their cycle. So step 1 in setting your floats is to set your off float just above your pumps so your pumps are always submerged during operation. This is for cooling purposes. Step 2 would be to set your high float just below your inlet pipe so you don't have sewage backing up your pipe. Step 3 would be to set your lag float 6 inches below your high. And lastly, step 4 would be to set your lead float 6 inches below your lag float. This allows your station to operate at maximum capacity, as well as giving you the backup that you get with a duplex pump station. In a simplex application, it's the same as duplex, except you have 1 less pump, hence the reason for 3 floats instead of 4. Hopefully this helps you better understand how a pump station works with its floats. If you need help setting your floats today, please reach out to us. Thanks very much.